there's
Let's put it on wall mode.
Alright, let's go ahead and put it on wall mode.
Wow.
Okay, so today we have the remote control car. Now, you may be wondering, I already have a remote control car. Why do I need another? Well, this is not your ordinary remote control car. This remote control car can go on the walls of your house and on glass as well. This has two modes, intelligent lights and a 360-degree rotation. And it has a wall haptor. So, this is the car that will be the most fun to play with.
And what comes in the box?
Here are the items that come with the box. The car itself, remote control, charger, and a charger. With the remote control coming with a note. The note reads that there is these little white things that you should not remove. Because this will affect the car from not being able to ride walls.
Right.
You are going to need 3 AAA batteries, and when your car is at low battery, it will blink bright orange. When it's almost full, it will blink orange, and when it's full, it will stay yellow. So, I forgot to leave something out. There is a 3 switcher. There is on and wall. Now you may be wondering what that sound is. It's basically the bottom of the car and is making little fan. So I believe this would, and the fan is inhaling everything.